Hi guys, Pepperolii here. In this video, I'm going to be trading Boreal Warden, and it was really good with demand and value, which is 12 to 15k. But one of my Discord server members decided to host this giveaway for you guys. So if you want, you could join. It will be in the Discord server, link in description. I wish you all luck, and there is going to be a level requirement for it, but it shouldn't be too hard. But I'm going to begin with this video. This is not going to be commentary, so this is just going to be like a normal music background video, so enjoy. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of this video, and I just want to say that only 86% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you like these kinds of videos that I make, then consider subscribing if you want to stay more into this channel to look at the videos I make. And sorry for no commentary, that had my reasons. Thank you, and I'll see y'all next time. Stay minty!